Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today you join me up at Corton and we're with Suffolk-DJI, and what I'll be doing is had another request via Facebook for some filming over Corton and the cliffs along there. So what we're do is going to fly over the cliff area, then over Corton itself. Okay, and Dale is out flying somewhere with his SPV goggles. I think he has crashed 4 times so far, so I keep on keeping an eye out what's going to be flying myself. Right, bye bye for now. Right, filming all done. Quite fortunate, we've got a very large aircraft, military transport aircraft flying quite low over the area, worryingly low as well. Okay, as you saw, we flew over, well, you can't see it from here, but trust me, they are there, Corton Cliffs. Then we came back and filmed over Corton itself. Right, that's a lovely day. Dale is still here with me. He's now setting up, I believe, the flip again, which you've probably seen in another video or a video to follow. Bit of a spoiler alert there, but never mind. Right, okay, like, comment, subscribe. You know the jazz. Bye bye for now.